Hello everybody, we're families out on the canal today fishing. My nephew Justin just caught fish.
I didn't even see you out there, babe.
Leave the net alone.
It's a little bass, but it's within legal limits.
Are you gonna clean it? Uncle Glenn might. Bubba, you gonna clean it?
I don't know, maybe Glenn. It just depends.
I'm trying to get a notch in there. So
Oh, I've tried that so many times. Look, see, there's some over here.
Yeah, but it won't stay. It's too big.
Dilemmas. Anyway, we're fishing here. We got live minnows. My niece is down there trying to catch shad. Cool.
Where is it?
My bobber right here.
Oh. This one has no bobber.
Anyway, if we catch anything, I will show it on video. Anyway, no one's caught anything yet. My mom went and sat on my seat over there. And my crazy little niece. Me sister. My other niece. My other two nephews over there. There was another one, but he ran back in the house. Go for it. You be coming out getting cold. You be cold when you get out. It's chilly out here. South Florida's first cold snap. Some of us are cold. I came out here dressed for winter, and I'm sweating. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and change this shirt off. We gotta get rid of all these lily pads. They're taking over. Pretty soon we ain't gonna have anywhere to fish. Gotta get rid of these damn things somehow. You gotta pull them out by the roots. So, all right, I'm out.
I hook them in the eye.